Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can add data label in graph using Python code. So let's start. So I'm going to use same graph which you are seeing right now. So here I'm showing region wise quantity, and after that I'm showing this data label. So I will show you how you guys can add data label. Okay, so let's create another page. And let me take visual. Okay, on this one, let me take py visual. And for this one, I will take column region and then quantity as I mentioned. Okay, so let's start writing our code. So first I need to import library matplot. After that, another library pyplot. Okay, and then we can provide the size of the parameter. Let's say 20. Okay, now let's create variable. So in region, I'm assigning the region, different region value. So for that, what I will do, I will take data, I will take value from dataset dot log, and then I will search from this location 0 to 6, and my column is region. And since it is multiple, so I will convert this into the list. Similarly for sales, so I can put sales variable here, and not sales, I can say quantity. Okay, okay, so far it is fine. Now plot dot var. If I need to show the var chart, I can simply say plot dot var, and then my x-axis is region and y-axis is quantity. And after that, I can provide color. So color is, let's say, light gray. So I'm taking light gray because I need to show the labels, so it will uh look better on that one. Dot dot show. Okay, so this is the graph which I wanted to show you. Right now, you will not able to see the there is some error. Let me find. Lot is not defined. Okay. Oh, by mistake I mentioned PKT instead of PLT. Okay. Okay, so it ran successfully. Now I need to add the data link. So for that, there is a function or there is a property I can say. So which is plot dot text basically. So in text, basically we have multiple parameters, x parameter, y parameter. So x parameter basically the it comes from the x-axis, whatever. Like in our case, it is region, and on y-axis we have quantity. So these two parameter basically define the position, and then this third parameter define the which region value. it it will specify automatically, and after that I can align the value. So for that I will use Azure, and after that there is one more parameter properties. There is one more property vbox. Using that, I can create box on my label. So I will show you, don't worry. So you will better understand. Let me move. Okay. So if you see, this region will repeat. Basically, uh, what will happen? Like I need to show for central, east, south. So it will repeat. So for that, I need to use for loop. So I will use for and then for I in range, and then I will take the length of region. Okay. After that, what I will do? I will use this plot that I will use this plot dot text. Okay. So as I mentioned, I will first take x-axis position. So name is region basically, and region of I, because I'm providing value here in I. So step by step, first it will store the length of central. So that will come. So this is the first position, and similarly I need to take y position. So my y is quantity. So these two parameter means it will take the region central first, and it will store the value here on y-axis. Okay, so y is quantity. Now, what I need to store, what I need to show basically. So that is also quantity of I. So I need to show whatever the value of central. Okay, now let me execute this first. After that, I will show the remaining two parameters, remaining two properties, I can say. So it's running. So see, I have this data label now. Okay, but if you see clearly, it is on left or side. It is not aligned. If I need to align into center, so what will I do? I need to use another properties, that is HA, and HA equals to, I can say, center. Okay, let me run this again. So it's running. Yeah. Now you can see that all the values are coming on center. Okay. Now let's say instead of top, if I want to show on the middle, so what will I do? As I mentioned, first two value is defining the basically position. So quantity of I is about the y-axis, and I need to show in between. So I can simply divide this value to 2 so that it will come into the middle. See, now it is coming to the middle. Okay. Now there is one more property. If I need to show this into the box, so how will I show? Let me use that properties as well. So I will use b box, and b box equals to this dict. This is the syntax. Face color. Let's say I want to use color equals to white. Okay. So yeah, that's fine. And now let me run this. See, now you can see value in the box. So guys, I hope this video is clear to all of you. Thank you everyone.